Hello students, this is Form 1 Chemistry, lesson number 7. Last week I talked about the formation of the solar system, and I hope you had time to read the notes and also go through the videos. So today allow me to talk about the structure of the Earth. Basically, the Earth has three divisions: the crust, the mantle, and the core. The divisions are the crust, the mantle, and the core. So this is the diagram of the Earth surface, and also it is showing the inner structures of the Earth. So we have the crust, the mantle, and the whole of this is the core. And the core has been divided into two: the inner core and the outer core. We are going to look at these in details. So let's start with the core. As I have earlier on said that the core has two divisions: the inner core and the outer core. The inner core looks like a ball, and this ball has two elements: iron and nickel. All these are metals. Iron is a metal and nickel is also a metal. The diameter of the core is 2,740 kilometers. That's the diameter. If it is the radius, then we have to divide this by 2, which will be 1,370. 1,370. That's the radius of the inner core. So about the elements, there are also some elements which are radioactive in the inner core. And these radioactive elements are like uranium. Uranium is one of the radioactive substances. These radioactive elements generate heat to keep the core at about 5,000 degrees Celsius. What it means here is that the temperature of the inner core is around 5,000 degrees Celsius. So this temperature is above the melting point of both iron and nickel. But these metals are still in solid form, even though the temperature is above their melting point. Why is it the case? It's because of the materials in the planet pushing on them. The materials on the planet Earth, are pushing the other materials below them. So it's like they are preventing these two elements from changing to a liquid. So when they are doing that, they are creating a lot of pressure, and that pressure is the one which is preventing them from becoming liquid. The outer core as the other part of the core. The outer core has more iron and nickel, and these two metals are in liquid form. Remember, the inner core, these tomatoes are in solid form because of the pressure created by the materials on the earth pushing on them. But these two elements, iron and nickel, in the outer core, they are in liquid form. The outer core is 2000 kilometers thick. 2000 kilometers thick. As the earth rotates, the inner core moves at a different speed from the outer core. We all know that the earth rotates, and that's why we have day and night. As the earth is rotating, it creates day and night. So as it is rotating, the inner core moves at a different speed from the outer core. And the difference in movement between the inner core and the outer core generates Earth's magnetic field. We have heard about the gravitational force. That gravitational force is created by the differences in movement between the inner core and the outer core, and that is also known as magnetic force. So this magnetic force is the force that pulls down everything from the sky. So that's about the end of the lesson. The lesson is just too short, but please make sure you read and understand everything. Have a good day.